excited to show you this. So today you need a blue piece of fabric, a thin piece of blue fabric. You got any color you want. I'm just telling you what color I have. I have a gray marble color fabric. You need it to be like a rectangle, and you need a doll. If you don't have a doll, you can go to Walmart, Dollar General, Dollar Tree. Those are the 3 base places you can get dolls at. And let's get started. So first thing you need to do is take your fabric and cut it to a rectangle. As I already did that. Then you want to lay it down, and then you want this long as your rectangle, as long as it. And then you need a small piece of fabric for the waist, and then you can add a choker if you want to. I'm going to add a red choker. So let's get started. So you want to take your line and put it straight on the ground or a table. Put it straight. Then you want to take this, lay it straight down, but not in the middle. You want to lay it off the side, like this. And then you want to take your fabric, and then you want to put it right on top of those things. And then you want to make it to the waist. And then you want to take your doll, put her down. You want to put her arms up. And then you could like tie it the waist like this. Make sure it's tight. Don't tie it in a knot, because you want to get it off if you want to. Like this. And then you want to make it be straight. Then you could tie a bow. So I got a bow, and then you could put the blue stripe right here. Put her arms down, and then there you go. Here's the dress. This is the base of the dress. And then if you want a choker, you take a piece of line, or you can have a balloon, you can have anything. It has to be stretchy. And then if you have this color or any other color, you could choose whatever marker you want. I chose red because red is a good color I have. This is the only color I have. Then you want to take it and color it in the middle, and then almost to the end of your thing. And then you want to color it. Sometimes I like to use the red, and then I use my silver and make little stripes in it to add a little color to it. And then I'm done with that. Then I close my markers, take my doll, and then tie it around the neck. If you tie it around the neck, double knot, you will have trouble getting it out. If you just make a knot, then you could just like pull it, and then it was like unknot it. So that's it. Let me do this part, then I will show you what it looks like. So if you want to make one of these, you could just like watch the video again and then try it out. If you have a new idea for me, just message me, and then I can show you the video. And I'm going to say thank you for watching my video, and here it is. Finally, my outfit.